Find the mode. 4, 15, 6, 15, 10. Answer is 15. Find the mode. 16, 10, 25, 17, 17. Answer is 17. 7x plus 26 equals 54. X equals? Answer is 4. A die is rolled once. What is the probability of rolling 6? Answer is 1/6. A die is rolled once. What is the probability of rolling an even number? Answer is 1/2. Find the median. 26, 3, 34, 2, 44. Answer is 26. Find the mode. 4, 8, 27, 8, 3. Answer is 8. 5x equals 50. X equals? Answer is 10. 10x plus 28 equals 168. X equals? Answer is 14. 3x equals 57. X equals? Answer is 19. X minus 2 equals 28. X equals? Answer is 30. A die is rolled once. What is the probability of rolling 2? Answer is 1/6. Find the mean. 7, 10, 29, 2. Answer is 12. For x plus 29 equals 37. X equals? Answer is 2. Find the mode. 7, 7, 28, 8, 11. Answer is 7.